Crispy homemade garlic bread toasties recipe. Hey, everyone! Welcome back to our multi-recipe and cookery channel. Today, we have a delicious recipe that will satisfy all your garlic bread cravings. We're going to show you how to make crispy homemade garlic bread toasties. They're perfect as a snack or as a side dish for any meal. So, let's get started. For this recipe, you'll need the following ingredients: French bread loaf, or any crusty bread of your choice; unsalted butter, softened; fresh garlic cloves, minced; fresh parsley, finely chopped; shredded mozzarella cheese; salt and pepper to taste. Great! Now that we have our ingredients ready, let's move on to the preparation. Step 1. Preheat the oven. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, to ensure it's nice and hot when we're ready to bake our toasties. Step 2. Slice the bread. Take your French bread loaf and carefully slice it into even slices, about 1 inch thick. Make sure not to cut all the way through, so the slices remain connected at the bottom. Step 3. Garlic butter mixture. In a small bowl, combine the softened butter, minced garlic, and finely chopped parsley. Mix everything together until well incorporated. Season with a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Step 4. Spread the garlic butter. Now, using a butter knife, generously spread the garlic butter mixture between each slice of the bread, making sure to coat both sides of each slice. This will give our toasties that irresistible garlic flavor. Step 5. Add the cheese. Sprinkle a generous amount of shredded mozzarella cheese between each slice of bread, allowing it to melt and create a gooey texture when baked. Step 6. Bake the toasties. Place the prepared bread loaf on a baking sheet and pop it into the preheated oven. Bake for about 10 to 12 minutes or until the bread turns golden brown and the cheese is melted and bubbly. Step 7. Serve and enjoy. Once your garlic bread toasties are beautifully golden and crispy, remove them from the oven. Let them cool for a minute or two, and then it's time to serve. Look at these mouth-watering garlic bread toasties. The bread is perfectly toasted, and the cheesy garlic filling is oozing with flavor. Serve them as is or alongside your favorite pasta dish or soup. Trust me, these will be a hit. So delicious! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tasty recipes like this one. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. Looking to ignite your culinary passion? Subscribe to our multi-recipe cookery channel and embark on a mouth-watering journey of flavors. From savory delights to sweet sensations, we offer a diverse collection of recipes that will inspire your inner chef. Join us today and unlock the secrets to creating culinary masterpieces in your own kitchen. Don't miss out on the joy of cooking. Subscribe now. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Happy cooking!